So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your debit or credit card with your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your PayPal account on your computer, and after that you guys will need to select the settings icon which is on the top right corner, and now you guys will need to select account settings. Now guys, please scroll down on your left and you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this. And now scroll down on your right, you guys can see this option called cards, and under this category you guys can see this option called link a new card. Now select on this. So now guys, after getting on this window, you guys just need to enter your debit or credit card number and select your card type. Now enter here your expiration date of your card, and now enter here your security code of your card which is on the back side of your card. And after that you guys just need to select on this link card button right here, and then you guys are successfully linked your debit or credit card with your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.